Hello, it's Mandy here. Today I'm here to share a card I made using the new camera stamp from Angie Blum. I stamped the image onto some white card and pre-coloured it with my Prismacolor pencils. Then I took some craft card and a heart embossing folder and embossed the card. And then I took a circle die and cut out a circle. Then I glued the card to the image that I pre-coloured. Then I took a white Prismacolor pencil and I coloured in all of the hearts. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!